welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana, and you're tuning into another tutorial. Gosh, I missed y'all so much. Like, I've been wanting to do a tutorial so bad, and I finally got to do one. Now the inner corner wing, I kind of messed up on. One is going down, and then one is going like slanted. I tried to fix it, but nonetheless, y'all, that's the only thing that y'all need to perfect, okay? If y'all get everything else down pat and that down pat, this is definitely a look. That's getting very much emo, grungy. It's different, okay? I never seen it done. But for more updates on me, be sure to check my vlogs. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. If y'all want to see how I achieve this look, y'all do this while y'all clicked. Then keep watching. Hey y'all, so it's been a long time and I miss y'all so much. The reason I've been gone is because I took a week off, a week and some days, basically like 2 weeks damn near. It's because I've been working on my skin. I did go to the dermatologist and I did go see about my skin. I got prescribed tretinoin, clindamycin, and also Calomis for my inner nose. So the inner parts of my nose, remember they used to be cracked? I just opened it and y'all see it's not cracked anymore, y'all. I'm going to be on this like for 4 months. So I just wanted to do the first week alone so that I could see if my skin was going to get like breakouts or anything like that. So far, it's perfect. The dark marks is like breaking up. Well, not breaking up. The hyperpigmentation is like breaking up. I want to show y'all how my skin looked before. I'm not going to talk right here because I do want to do a look, and I will get more in depth during the skincare. I won't be in this place anymore, y'all. So, and that's another thing, we will be moving. I think I'm gonna wait out to show y'all exactly what I use for my skin. I'll have to catch a YouTube video for that. And it's so crazy because I'm getting back into my skincare stuff I did for years. Okay, it's been like 2 years. I didn't know what to do with my skin, and plus I'm at a point where like I have insurance. I have to take advantage of it. It's neither here or there. I got it now, and I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna actually do a skincare routine and how I wash my face AM and PM, y'all. So if y'all want to see that, definitely let me know in the comment section below. But let's get into this face. My eyebrows has not been done. Oh, it ain't been done. My birthday is next month. Okay, I'll be 30. And I was waiting to get my brows arched. Until then, I'm just gonna clean them up. And I'm gonna come back and we're gonna start this tutorial. Brows are done, y'all. As y'all can see, I did them real quick. If y'all want to see how I did these brows, y'all gotta go check out my TikTok because I am partnering with the TikTok shop. But not really partnering, but I did, well actually, yeah, partnering, but it's not like paid partner on this eyebrow pencil, okay? So if y'all want to buy it, go ahead and check this video out and click on the orange card down at the bottom. I did grab some palettes. I don't even know what look I want to do. Remember this one? Oh, I grabbed this. But I did grab some palettes and we're just gonna wing it. I want to tell y'all everything that I used. I know I want to do a wing. I do want to do some color. I was thinking about like brown and smoking it out. There's nude on it, smoking it out into colors. I don't know, y'all. I'm just gonna go with the flow of things. I didn't get no inspiration or nothing, but we're gonna go ahead and take our P.Louise base in Rumor number 2. Okay, so base is on. Now it's time to pick what I'm about to do. I don't even know, y'all. I'm telling you. I want to go into this Bperfect Cosmetics More Ready palette. I have my Nude palettes. I keep forgetting I got these. Like, I got so many palettes, like it's crazy. I have these right here. They now broke. Going with those 2 colors. So first, starting in the Kelly palette, I want to take this color called Spice. It's right here. For brush, I'm going to take this flat brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and pack this on. Make sure you always blend out your base. Okay, so I don't want to take up too much space. Sticking into this one palette, which is the Born Ready palette from Bperfect. I didn't even go on the Nude palette. And I'm just grabbing those two colors. I'll post it. And I'm going to put nude on my lid and just like do cheetah marks on the nude with a wing liner. That's going to be the look today. And I'm going to really try to like define and black out the lower lash line. Taking my Jaclyn Hill 30 brush to blend the top out. The way this blend is coming out is so tea, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna do this nude because I want those cheetah prints to pop. This nude right here. Let's go ahead and put this on. This is from P.Louise. Just want to wipe anything on the lid. Okay, y'all, so I'm just blending my life away because some of these shadows, sometimes with the nude, it just don't like collaborate. But the good thing about it is I'm adding black on top of it, so all the imperfections y'all not even gonna be able to see. So just blend. This look, to be honest, doesn't require like to be like really detailed. Now it's telling me to add black. Now we really gotta do a battle of the liners for a comparison of each liner that I'm about to show y'all. So we have e.l.f. and Wet n Wild, and I never tried e.l.f. liner before. Y'all remember NYC liner? My favorite liner of all times. I like the liner, but my favorite is Sephora liner. However, sometimes it gets a little gray on me, so I'm gonna use the e.l.f. liner today. We're gonna see how that is. I am about to add the cheetah prints right now. I think that's enough cheetah shade. I like this for the wear. I mean, e.l.f. liner, y'all. It dry quick, is matte. It kind of remind me of the Sephora one, but better. Like in between, because it's matte. It ain't like a gray matte. Yeah. Okay, y'all. So now I'm gonna have to get this liner again. Like I need to purchase another one because Tamara Renee did not steer me wrong when it came to this liner. Is the truth, okay? So I'm about to smoke that black out in this corner on top of that liner. I don't have anything in my mind, so I'm actually putting it on top of the C's. And look at the gradient effect that is like giving. Like get this e.l.f. liner though, I'm in love. Okay, y'all, so I'm having memory card, not issues, but I have to use the lowest gigabytes that I have shooting in high quality. So y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and take these. I know it still has a price on it, but number 19, the shade Glams on Instagram and also on YouTube say that number 19 is down when I posted these because I got 19, and I think, I don't know another color. These cats are being so bad in the background. Okay, so I'm going in with these two. I don't have no more as well. One size Pure the Glow, and then Hydro Mist foundation. I did go ahead and give me a new bottle of new Caledonia, and I also got the matte version as well too. A new bottle of that. Y'all, I need all shades of Nars. This right here for clients and just for yourself in general is like everything. If you asked me to recommend you a foundation, this would be it. The Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So foundation is applied. I'm gonna go ahead and take a cookie just right there, and then I'll apply the L'Oreal all over the face. So I do want to add some liquid blush. I'm gonna add liquid blush first, and then we're gonna go ahead and bright highlight just a tap in the corner, and then we're gonna set. Actually, it's Mari Gold and Coral Rose that I want to use. Check these right here. And a little goes a long way. And then I'm taking Shape Tape from Tarte. This is Tan Sand. Powder my face down. I'm more of a matte girly. I'm gonna take my face palette and Deep Glam 8D. I don't know why they stopped making these palettes. Man, this is dirty. I gotta clean the mirror. These palettes is everything. We'll take just the bronzer. And then that blush is there, and we don't have to do much too because it's like liquid blush, so that's gonna show regardless. Cheeks is snatched. I'm gonna take a warmer bronzer from Juvias Place on my forehead. I just love a bronzer. So yeah, I can never get the inner corner like as perfect as I want it, because it's always one that goes down. I can never get it like I want it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to camouflage. This one looks perfect, but this one's going down instead of straight out. I'm gonna have to camouflage with some rhinestones, y'all. So I'm gonna camouflage it is I am like smoking it out. But that's like the only way. Smoke it out. Okay, so I smoked the lower lash line out, as y'all can see. Now I'm about to go ahead and add like the brown. I did put more cheetah prints going towards the inner corner because the nude just somehow got lost, so it looks gradient. So I just put more creative mind just for it. So for lips, I am going to add black liner, faded in with brown, a nude, and y'all, I don't know, but this my creative mind just came on. So that, I think it was like a Rimmel London pencil. It's really small, but this is chestnut. So I'm gonna take chestnut. I'm definitely going in with sand. Y'all already know what it is. Stop it. Last, I want to go ahead and take my mist from Morphe. And I'm also going to go ahead and take my Milk Matte Setting Spray. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if y'all like this video. And if this is y'all first time seeing this, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to press that like button, comment, rate, and subscribe. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.